It's not scary, baby. Let's see what it is. Ooh. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. They're shaped like little fish. You see that? Kind of look like poop, but it's fish. What's mommy got? What is that, baby? Let me show you my advent setup. So I have Grimm's advent calendar that I got from Trader Joe's that has the salmon and dried seaweed recipe, which was a big hit, wasn't it, Grimm? And then I got this from Trader Joe's as well. I didn't want just like a chocolate one. And I saw that they had the advent of the cocktail hour. And it has liqueur de café, caramel cream, peach bellini, eggnog, coffee martini, and pink champagne. I love a coffee martini. I love eggnog. And these others I'm just so interested to try. And now I can for the next month. And this is my cute little gingerbread house tree. I'm trying to do a gingerbread house theme for my kitchen. Every room in my house has a different theme. And I'm carrying this theme out onto my bar cart, where I have kind of like a vintage gingerbread house Christmas tree theme going on. So I got these beautiful vintage Christmas tree ornaments from my mom, and I'm bringing it like down through the glass here that has also some vintage glass ornaments hanging off of it. I got this sign last year that I thought was so cute. Graham, hello. And then I put some candy canes in this one. I just think it looks kind of vibey. But yeah, every room in my house has a different theme. Where you going, Grim? Where you going, Grim? Where you going, Grim? Why are you acting scared? You were just yelling at me. All right. Welcome to my bathroom. There's a knot in my hair. Okay, so for the plan for the rest of the day, if I can get it all done in before I run out of energy, is I want to go to the Asian store, H Mart, and I'm going to get some groceries for the week. I'm going to take you guys with me. And then I'm going to be attempting to make bread, which means I need to get yeast and see if they have some yeast at the Korean store. And then after that, maybe clean a little bit. Nothing crazy, just a Thursday in December. And then I plan on watching a couple Christmas movies, maybe. I might only have time for one though. Last night I watched Jingle All the Way. And I took a bath, which I highly recommend everyone do in the month of December. All right. I don't have a hair tie. I'm gonna have to go into the other room and get a hair tie. Hold on. All right, no one's really gonna care because this is not put together. I don't even have makeup on, and I'm really sorry for those who have never seen my face without makeup. This is the roundness that it is. It's you know what? It's a face. But my outfit, as dumb as it looks, I'm actually quite into it. I've got these leg warmers from Forever 21 that I'm wearing with like every outfit right now, and it's like, I don't know, like athletic chic, whatever you want to call this. But I got this from Forever 21. This is from the Aerie athletic wear, and Adidas from like Amazon, and my Harry Potter Deathly Hallows bag. So yeah, I'm definitely not wearing anything spectacular, but I think it's cute. So I want to show you. Okay. Grocery haul time. I don't know why I said it that way. Grocery haul time. Okay, let's start off with the most exciting things. So, a while back, I got omija. And omija in Korea, I first got when I was with my friend Haley in Insadong, and we tried omija cha, or omija tea, and we loved it. Here, however, I've had struggled to find anything omija, and I finally found some in like a packet that's in my kitchen right now, and it was so bad. It tasted basically like wood. So I've been desperate to find something else that will bring me back to Korea, and this are just like the berries. And so you can put these into like a tea satchel and brew it like tea. So I was like, okay, I'll give that a try. Maybe it'll match the flavor I had in Korea. Then I went a little bit farther into the store where the other instant teas were, and I found this. Now, I was excited at first when I saw that it said omija. I was like, oh my God, they finally got an instant omija that'll probably be delicious. But then I saw that it said sangria, which means it's not just pure omija, it is a mix. So if this ends up tasting like garbage, I'm gonna try brewing these up and see if it tastes similar. Either way, I've spent years trying to find something that will take me back, and maybe we have succeeded today. Other things in the haul, I got some veggies to make soups with. One we're gonna make tonight. I got some cuties, because those are an essential in the winter time. Some mint to make cocktails with later the week. Kimchis, I got the normal, just like Daechu kimchi. And then I always try to find gattugi and they never have it. So I got some muchim to at least be something else other than just like Daechu. Got some gochujang to make my kimchi jjigae, jasmine rice. Few different kinds of ramen. I tried to get the ones that were on sale, so it's not my usual stuff. I found this ansung, which is Katie's favorite, and it is a shiitake mushroom and I think pork-based flavor, beef and fermented bean with shiitake mushroom base. I got some seaweed as well, which is this is my favorite to get if you're gonna have it with like just like kimchi and rice. This is the best kim to have with it. Personal opinion. Then this was on sale. I've never had it before, but I love anything like guksu, kalguksu. This obviously isn't gonna be fresh, but it is soba style gochujang sweet and spicy sauce guksu. So I'm gonna try it and see if it was worth the money, but it was on sale, so I just might as well get it. And then the stuff I do eat all the time, some spaghetti, and then spicy kimchi flavored. Sad story, they don't have the brown sugar lattes in anymore, which was my favorite to get. They do, however, have this Madagascar vanilla bean latte. I'm gonna try tomorrow. Got my sweet potatoes. And then I saw this in the store I showed you, and we're gonna try it tonight because I saw online that it's like really popular, and I'm just curious to see what it is like, all right? I like chabababas. Right, the frozen stuff that I was craving, they had really expensive hot dog, and I don't know why. These were on sale for a 4-pack, and they got cinnamon and brown sugar flavored. They had a whole bunch of different flavors. I'm excited to try throughout the year, but in the wintertime, I'm always craving those. And then this was new. I've never seen these before, so I'm gonna try some kimchi chicken cheese mandu, possibly with dinner tonight. I got a ramen bowl. I haven't had one of these in years, and honestly, I just need one. Every time I make something Korean, I think I really should have gotten that. Why did I not get that? So now I have it, and then some pork to make the soup tonight. And then a whiny baby over in the corner. You want to go chase some squirrels? Go chase some squirrels. Goodness. All right, I'm gonna clean my kitchen a little bit. Look at this beautiful sunset happening right now. I love winter time. And after I get done cleaning, I'll get back with you guys and we can cook together. Isn't she cute? Rice boiling. Got the onions and some sesame oil, and I'm going to get meat in as soon as that starts to heat up a little bit. And then yeah, we're gonna chop up some other things and make a delicious soup. Moment of truth. Does this taste at all like what I remember? Has a very similar scent, but definitely a lot more citrusy. It might be too hot to try right now. I think I'm gonna have to wait. It's there. Oh, it's there. Okay. I'm happy with that purchase. That was a very good purchase. Oh, Amija, you're back in my life. Oh, I'm gonna have to tell Haley. She's gonna be so excited. Right. Now, for the other exciting and momentous moment of the day, let's try our very first bonbon. My advent calendar. Probably should have opened this before I started filming. Oh well. Here we are. Alright, where's number one? Right here. Ooh. It's very elegant inside, I think. Oh. Okay, that's very cute. You see how it's delicate. You might not. Mm. 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 I'm not getting any flavor out of that. It might have been the liqueur de cafe. That's all I can think it could be, because it doesn't taste like any other of the flavors. I'm not getting caramel, I'm not getting peach or eggnog. There's definitely no champagne in there. So it's either the liqueur de la cafe or the coffee martini. But I feel like the coffee martini would have more bite. I don't know. But I think I'm having quite the vibey night with my chocolate, my amidata, my Christmas movies. I definitely need to replace the batteries in this tree and probably these lights too. Let me show you. It's not looking too good. Oh, my messy house. I'm sorry, guys. But it's just rather low looking. Could definitely do with brighter lights coming from the batteries. So with this tree, and the lights that I have on these garlands right here, all battery operated because that's what I had when I moved in here last year. Oh my goodness. Are you just so happy? Are you just a so happy girl? You know? She likes it when I sit on this rug with her. She gets very excited. Okay, thank you, bye. So I just haven't updated them. I probably should update them to more something that plugs in, so I don't have to keep buying new batteries and putting them in. But I just really like the way that they look, how they're kind of small and dainty, like little fairy lights. So doesn't it just warm your heart how dedicated Liam Neeson's character is at his stepson in this movie, saying goodbye to his first love? I think that's like the best part of this movie. I know that everyone else can be in love with the fact that it talks about, like, you know, the hardships of romance or finding true love or whatever. I think this is the part that I like, is the relationship between the stepfather and the stepson and just supporting each other. Yeah. I'm definitely gonna still try the omija berries because this does still have too much of the citrus to be exactly how it tasted in Korea. But it's close. It's still there. Oh, that's good. All right, I think this is it for me tonight. I'm gonna watch The Christmas Train with Grimmy, eat some oranges, and then go to sleep. So I'll see you in the morning for day 2. Bye.